Okay, next one. And Parsons lamp. Again, I want to get the background off it. Let's try select subject to see what we get for that. How will it do? Hey, that's pretty good. Look at that. It's missed some bits at the bottom, and it's missed the finial up at the top. But if we get the quick selection tool in, oops, let's make it a little bit smaller. Maybe we can just manually go in and had it, lost it. Doesn't like that, does it? Let's just zoom in. Control and plus. Oops. Hit the Alt button to sneak it back a bit. Make sure we've got that bit and that bit. Let's go a bit smaller, see if we can do this. Nope, it's not even any of it. What's that one doing? So if it's jumping around too much, it's largely because there's not enough contrast between the background and the foreground. It just can't tell them apart. So what I'm inclined to do is throw on a mask and then just draw it in manually. We can adjust the density of this mask just while we're playing with it, so we can actually see. Oops. So we can actually see what we're doing. I need just a soft brush, and we can just get in and manually draw some of this stuff in. I don't want the cable. We can just kind of soften this slightly, again just by going over it with the edge of the soft brush. Is there anything else looking bad? Let's turn the density of our mask up again. Missing a bit there. Maybe a piece there. That's alright, but we're skew whiff. So if we go under the ink dropper, we have the ruler tool. If we left click and drag our line straight down the center of the thing, we should have a straightened layer. That's alright. Let's throw on a new layer now and go with our gradient background again. Holding down shift to constrain it. Hey presto. That looks rubbish, doesn't it? Let's go on to black and just black soft brush. Let's just go in and fix that. Spend a little bit of time doing it. Yeah, I want to get rid of these feathery bits here too. Just because they stand out and just look unnatural. No. Right. Let's just have a quick crop. Hold down control because I just want to make it about there. Right, select my image and go to filter, camera raw filter. And again we can mess with the vibrance a bit, exposure of it. I do like to crank up the temperature a little tiny bit. Just check with the texture thing, see whether that's better or worse. -8 seems to be quite nice there. Dehaze. It's probably fine like that. And there's another one. Brill, thank you for watching.